Introducing Tolerance360 T360. Tolerance360, or T360, is an advanced Excel-based enterprise software designed to streamline and enhance the management of tolerances in the design and manufacturing processes. This robust tool connects directly with your design engineering workflows, significantly reducing the time and effort required to manage tolerance data. Key features of Tolerance360. Automated stack updates. T360 simplifies the creation of tolerance stacks. Simply select a bill of materials BOM, choose the necessary parts, and T360 will generate a new specification. If design changes occur, T360's unique version tracking automatically updates the stacks, ensuring that all data remains current without manual intervention. Scenario simulation. With T360, you can create and analyze simulation-type scenarios using virtual part assemblies. This feature allows for comprehensive testing and adjustment before final production, saving valuable time and resources. Standardized reporting. Tolerance360 comes equipped with many standard reports such as process capability, quantity analysis, and Monte Carlo simulations, providing critical insights at your fingertips. Workflow integration. T360 promotes team collaboration by keeping everyone on the same page through an integrated workflow management system. It simplifies the management of BOMs and supports quality inspection processes directly through the software. Cost management. The cost module within T360 allows you to manage cost data alongside tolerance information, offering a holistic view of project finances relative to manufacturing specifications. Discover more about Tolerance360. Join me for a detailed presentation to explore how Tolerance360 can transform your tolerance management practices and bring efficiency to your projects. Learn more about how T360 can support your company's needs, whether you manage dozens or hundreds of stacks. Thank you for considering Tolerance360 as your solution for precision in design and manufacturing.